welcome to Jaylas TV. And today we're going to be making spaghetti with my new cooking set. Let's get the ingredients. We already have the water boiling right now. We're going to put the chicken into the pot. We're going to stir it up. We're going to get our mixed onions. Next, we're going to put our pasta into the pan. We're going to put the meat inside the pan, and then we're going to get our veggies and put them in there, which is red peppers, green peppers, and onions. And then we mix it up. Mix this up, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Is to put the seasonings inside here. The first seasoning I have is paisley leaf. One is onion powder. And we're gonna stir it. Gonna get garlic powder. Mixed onion. Stir it again. Don't forget to keep stirring your pasta as you cook. And then now we're going to put our pasta into the bowl. Put this into the bowl and then I'll be right back. Now I like to put in my spaghetti is pesto sauce. So I'm going to put this in here and mix it up. I'm going to put my spaghetti sauce into the meat. So now we're going to put this in there. And we're going to mix it. We're going to put the Creole seasoning into the pan. A little bit. And I also put the oven on low so that way it can marinate. Now I'm mixing up the noodles inside the bowl, and I'm waiting for the sauce to marinate inside the meat. Spaghetti sauce and the noodles. Stir it up really good. Wait for the meat to marinate. Good. My meat is done. I'm going to put some of the noodles into a pot and stir it really good. Really good. It's very delicious. It does. And we're just going to keep mixing it until you think it's done mixing. Now now the spaghetti is done, and now we're going to put the noodles on the plate and try it. Now we're done, we're going to taste the final result. That's how it makes spaghetti. And make sure to be supervised by an adult when you're cooking. This video, bye.